TrendPlain 16 ounces / 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer for cooking, 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser bottle, black. Hook the viewer. Have you ever felt like you're using too much oil when cooking, or struggling with messy oil bottles that drip everywhere? What if one simple kitchen gadget could help you cook healthier, cleaner, and smarter, without sacrificing flavor? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the TrendPlain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, a stylish 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser and sprayer designed for modern kitchens, air fryer enthusiasts, salad lovers, and barbecue masters alike. Stay with me, because this small tool might completely change how you cook every single day. Detailed and engaging breakdown. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The TrendPlain olive oil sprayer features a thick, durable glass body combined with a sleek black top, giving it a premium, minimalist look that fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. Unlike cheap plastic bottles, this one is made from food-grade, BPA-free glass, meaning your oil stays fresh, pure, and uncontaminated. Plus, the transparent glass allows you to easily see how much oil you have left, no more guessing. 2-in-1 functionality explained. What truly sets this bottle apart is its 2-in-1 design. With just a simple tilt or press, you can switch between precise pouring and fine mist spraying. Want a light, even coat of olive oil on your salad? Spray it. Need a controlled pour for sautéing vegetables or frying eggs? Pour it. This flexibility makes it perfect for air frying, grilling, roasting, baking, and making fresh salads. Healthy cooking control. If you're watching your calories or trying to eat healthier, this sprayer is a game changer. Instead of accidentally pouring too much oil, the fine mist spray helps you control portions effortlessly. Less oil. Same great taste. Healthier meals. Whether you're following a keto diet, Mediterranean diet, or simply trying to cook smarter, this tool supports your goals. Air fryer and barbecue performance. Air fryer lovers, this one's for you. The TrendPlain olive oil sprayer delivers an even, consistent mist, ensuring your food gets crispy without being greasy. And when it comes to BBQs, grilling, or roasting meat, the sprayer helps distribute oil evenly across the surface, enhancing flavor while preventing flare-ups. Easy refilling and cleaning. Refilling is simple thanks to the wide mouth opening, which minimizes spills and mess. Cleaning is just as easy, warm water, mild soap, and you're good to go. No complicated parts. No frustration. Versatility beyond olive oil. While it's perfect for olive oil, this sprayer doesn't stop there. You can also use it for avocado oil, vegetable oil, vinegar, lemon juice, soy sauce, and more. One bottle. Endless possibilities. Who is this for? This product is perfect for home cooks who want better oil control, air fryer enthusiasts, health-conscious individuals, minimalist kitchen lovers, anyone tired of greasy, leaky oil bottles. If that sounds like you, this might be your next favorite kitchen gadget. The TrendPlain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer combines style, functionality, and healthier cooking into one elegant tool. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly impactful for everyday meals. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps the channel grow.